Hi, this is Chelsea. Today I'm at Milam Truck Country, located in Puyallup at 500 River Road. And today we're looking at this beautiful black 2006 Dodge Ram 3500 Mega Cab. On the exterior of this vehicle comes with a brush guard, has fog lights, aftermarket alloy wheels with all-terrain tires, running boards on both sides, and your mirrors are heated and they do extend. Has your 5.9 liter turbo diesel engine. Take a look on the inside. The inside it has two-tone cloth seats, wood grain interior, automatic transmission with low and high gearing, has a CD player with AM/FM radio, adjustable pedals, cruise control integrated into the steering wheel, has all the power options, windows, locks, mirrors, and seats. The back seat has a lot of space, seats 3 full-size adults. Has a Class 3 tow package, custom exhaust, spray-in bed liner, all of our inventory here at Milam goes through an extensive service and safety inspection. They are beautifully detailed, so you can purchase with confidence. Give us a call today to set up a test drive with one of our professional sales representatives at 253-845-1766. Thank you for clicking on our virtual tour.